Today, we review the best 5 oyster sauce that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Wok Mae Gluten-Free Oyster Sauce. Suitable for using in stir-fries and as a marinade, the Wok Mae oyster-flavored sauce does not contain any monosodium glutamate, refined starches or sugars. Made in the US, this oyster sauce is also free from any GMO ingredients and dairy and has been tested and certified as gluten-free.
Number 2.
Kum Kee Premium Oyster Sauce. Coming as a twin pack of 18 fluid ounces glass bottles, the Kum Kee Premium Oyster Sauce is made with the finest oyster extracts and does not contain any soy sauce. It does however contain MSG as well as wheat flour, which makes it unsuitable for those with gluten sensitivities.
Number 3.
Maekrua brand Thai oyster sauce. This oyster sauce comes in a smaller 10 fluid ounces bottle, and some may find it a little too sweet depending on what dishes it is used for. Although made with soy sauce, this does not contain any MSG.
Number 4.
Kikkoman oyster sauce. The MSG-free Kikkoman oyster sauce is made in the US and comes as a smaller 12.6 fluid ounces bottle. This oyster sauce is umami-rich with a hint of sweetness, which makes it suitable for a wide range of marinades and recipes. It can also be used as a seasoning in soups, braises and sauces.
Number 5.
Vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce. Containing mushroom essence instead of oyster, this vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce is made in Taiwan and ideal for grilling, dipping and stir-fries. This sauce contains soybeans and wheat, so although suitable for vegetarian, vegan diets, it is not suitable for those with specific intolerances. This mushroom oyster sauce does not contain any MSG and comes as a large 35 fluid ounces bottle, although the plastic seal on the bottle may be less than robust.